Okay, quick video to review. We're starting on page 20 and 21. Remember how to find your middle C. Middle C is from two black notes, the two middle black notes to C. All C's can be found. Two black notes to C, right? So when we're going to practice an arpeggio is a broken chord, we're using three notes, but we're using a pattern. Every other finger, every other white note. So here we go on C arpeggio, C, E, G. Now we're going to move our thumb up on exercise 5 on page 21, one white note after we complete each arpeggio. That is going to be these chords, C, D, E, F. G is a chord progression, okay? Moving up one thumb means that we're playing a different chord progression for your arpeggio. So, here we go. C, E, G, thumb up. D, F, A, thumb up. E, G, B, thumb up. F, A, C, thumb up. G, B, D, thumb up. A, C, E, thumb up. B, D, F, thumb up. C, E, G, thumb up. Well, no more thumb up because that's the end. Okay, back to the start. Here we go. C, E, G, D, F, A, E, G, B, F, A, C, G, B, D, A, C, E, B, D, F, C, E, G. Good job. If you don't get it that fast, go back to the beginning of this video or this exercise and practice. Do it slowly until you get it and can keep up, okay? Moving on to the left hand arpeggio, okay? So we're going to do the same thing with the left hand, except we're doing it in opposite of the right hand as far as the order of your fingers. It's kind of mirrored. So you're starting with your pinky on C, two black notes C, and then we're going to go up. And how you can tell we're in the left hand right now is we're playing in what we call the bass clef. That's it right there. Okay, so here we go. Moving the pinky up one at the end of every arpeggio. C, E, G, D, F, A, E, G, B, F, A, C, G, B, D, A, C, E, B, D, F, C, E, G. Good. Okay, can't do it that fast. It's okay. Go back, pause it, practice, and try again, okay? I do want to talk about chord symbols real quick. So chord symbols are these letters right here at the tops of your measures or sections. Those are telling us the chord progression, position on the piano, however you'd like to put it. You can read page 23. It'll tell you a little bit about the chords and chord symbols. So it's going to be the first letter in your arpeggio or your chord is this letter. So if you see this letter, we're playing C, E, G. Every other note, right? See that letter, D, we're playing D, F, A, every other note, okay? Here's where things get a little trickier for y'all, but some of you did this, some of you might not have, but you're going to know how to work on it. So we're on page 24 and 25. We're going to place our hands in arpeggio position to do two-handed arpeggios. That means find your two sets of black keys, pinky on the lower one, thumb on the middle one. Okay, we're going to play the arpeggios and you're going to play both of them. So we're going to play C, E, G in the left hand, C, E, G in the right hand. And then we're going to move up just like we did earlier. Remember we moved C, E, G, D, F, A, right? Except this time both hands are going to play through completion of arpeggios and then they're going to move up together. So here we go. We're moving over one white key every time we complete the two arpeggios. So here we go. Page 25, exercise 7 looks like this. C, E, G, C, E, G. Move up one key, D, another key. E, G, B, E, G, B. Up another key. F, A, C, F, A, C. G, B, D, G, B, D. A, C, E, A, C, E. B, D, F, B, D, F, C, E, G, C. Okay, I was cut off on that last video clip, so I'm just going to splice them together. Let's go back over real quick the two-handed arpeggios starting on C. 2 black notes in both hands on C. Every other finger starting with your pinky and your left hand on C. Every other finger, every other note sounds like this. I'm going to do it slowly. Maybe you can keep up. 1, 2, 3. C, E, G, C, E, G, D, F, A, D, F, A, E, G, B, E, G, B, F, A, C, F, A, C, G, B, D, G, B, D, A, C, E, A, C, E, B, D, F, B, D, F, C, E, G, C, E, G. Good job. So I just want y'all to have that information so you can work on it just a little bit. Next week, I believe we're starting on page 26. So if you want to look ahead and kind of look at it just a little bit, you can. We're going to get getting those arpeggios smooth, and I will see you next week.